Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 70 and today I'm going to show you how to change the language on this watch. So let's get started. So if you want to change the language on your watch, press and hold the up button to open the menu. Then scroll down, look for the watch settings option and tap on it. Now, once you're in settings, scroll down and find the system option, select it, and here at the top you will see the language. Select it, it will open the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list, look for the language you would like to use on your watch. And once you find the language you would like to use, you can tap on it and the language will be applied after a few seconds. So now if we open the menu, the language will be changed to Spanish. You can also use the phone application to do that. So if your watch is paired with a phone, you can grab the phone that is paired with your watch, open the Garmin Connect application on that phone. So this one. In the app, you can tap on More, Garmin Devices, select your Forerunner 70, and here in the app, you can tap on System option. So scroll down and tap on System, then tap on Language. Find the language you would like to use. This time I'm gonna select English, and after a few seconds, the language should be applied. So if we go to the watch, as you can see, it's back to English. And basically that's how you change the language on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.